Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to make a folder in Google Drive. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First of all, open Google Drive application. After that, click on add icon. Then click on folder. Now we have to create a folder from here. So here you type the name of your folder. If you haven't subscribed this channel, then subscribe to it and press the bell icon to get notification of new videos. After that, click on create. Now you can see that my folder has been created successfully. Now if you want to put some files into the folder, then here you select some files which you will want to put into your folder. After that, click on three dots at the top right corner. Then click on move option at the bottom. After that, select a folder where you want to put your files. Then click on move option at the bottom right corner. Now the files has been moved into your selected folder. Now if I open the folder, then you can see that my files has been successfully moved into my folder. Okay guys, if you found this video helpful, so please leave a like.